Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today we're gonna do a canvas and we're gonna do a little bit more background because I was asked the other day. I did a video where I did an ATC card, which is right here, and I did the background. Let me get this off right here. And I did the background where you can see I put the flowers and that kind of stuff. Oh, I got shadow coming. I don't know. It's the weather. The sun, the light. Okay, so anyway, so I did that, and somebody had asked me about, I use paint with this. Somebody had asked me about using sprays. So I have this. I'm going to grab my other ones. I have my Good Energy candle lit. Always, always. I know it looks a mess here, but it's organized chaos. I'm going to grab some big ones too. These are a little different ones. And we're going to do a layered background. So what I'm going to do is, you can see I put some of these down. I wonder if I open this. It's hard because it's very sunny. And it's like the way the thing is behind me. It's very hard to explain. Anyway, we'll see if that helps. Probably not. I'm going to lay these down. I'll have to take that one bulb out or something for the next video. Okay, and then we'll just lay those there. That's what we'll start. And what I'm going to do, I was asked to use sprays, like dilutions, that kind of thing. So I thought, okay, let's layer and play. So I like to go lighter to dark, normally when I use paint. But today, I think I'm going to go like mixed. I kind of want it to be like a flow. But you see what I did? I have a piece of wood here. It could be canvas, paper, whatever you're using. All I did was throw some white paint down because you could see a little bit of a background where I had wiped off some other paint. Let's see. Today we'll start with Funky Fuchsia, and this is just dilutions. And I'm going to shake it. And I'm not going to spray it everywhere. I'm just going to give it like that. Not a big deal, right? And you can see, not a big deal. I will take some Glimmer Mist, and what color are you? Fully purple. I don't know what that means, but we will see. And it's a beautiful color. I just pray to God that it works. You could see it's a little dabby, but that's all right. I don't care. I have here, I put it in here because it wasn't coming out. It's just, I think it's just called green. Yellow green. This is from Deco Art Media. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give it to mama. You gotta be kidding me. It ain't coming out. So guess what we're not using? Okay, next. It's all right. I have more. This is Rose Quartz. Oh, is she pretty? Now you can see I have the white background, but I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Just adding it a little bit. I'm gonna have to add get a green or something. This is just white linen. But I want something over here. I like this. I'm not hating on those colors, but I don't think I have another green. I might have to mix it into another. I want an orange, but I can't find it. Let's see if this works. This is Luminart Radiant Rain Shimmer Mist in what color? It's a new no cloud formula, so I'm all for that. What color are you, sis? It doesn't say. Does she look orange? So I'm gonna shake it. Radiant means it got some shimmer. And I'm not mad at no shimmer. So, oh, she works too. Just like that. Oh, I like that. Okay. So, I'm gonna go like this. Oh, I got some here. Don't wanna. I walk around with more paint and stuff on me. I'm gonna give it a shake off. And you see, look how pretty so far. Now, of course, I have drips and all. I don't care. Sometimes they drip. What are you going to do? But I love this. I'll hold that up one more time. But I'm going to just really quick, give it a quick once over. But look at that. The purple with the yellow. But can you see the sparkles? Look at that. That's all I love in life. So you can keep it like this. You definitely can. Or you can go. I'm going to do one more kind of thing. I'm going to lay primarily where there's no flowers or markings. Now listen, if you don't have, and remember what we're doing. Look at this. Let's see. Look at those sparkles. Now we're coloring and decorating these for another project or even to use on top of here. So remember, it's a twofer and I love a twofer. And you don't always have to have it on. You can have it hanging off. So just going to lay these. And like I said, you can leave them the way they are. Nobody's going to be mad at you. It's yours. That's the fun of playing. Okay, and then I have this little bad boy who just ran away. Where do we want him? Let's do it here. Okay, so now I'm going to use the same colors. I'm not going, but I know that I sprayed this over here first. So what I'll do is go up here and just give it a spray. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. And then I have her, and she was right there. And I like the overspray. I'm all about the overspray. I want over here. Let's do some purple. That. And a little bit of white. Just a little bit, maybe a little bit up there. All right. So then what I like to do is, and I'm going to show you something. Maybe you don't like that there's big bunches. Just take your paper towel, because this is, or whatever you have, art rag, and work around it. But it is, it will come up. It is a little water soluble. He was like, I'm not going anywhere. And you can just dab up if you are like, oh, it's a little too dark, or I don't like those edges. But you see what you're doing? You're making this beautiful layered background with all these different colors. Now, what I like to do is I like to turn it, because you're always working towards you. You get to look at it a different way. Kind of covered up that one there, so I'm just going to keep laying. And when I'm done, I'm just going to keep doing it. I'll forward through, and when I'm done, I'll be back, and then we will go from there. Okay. So you can see this beautiful background just made with die cuts. Um, Again, you can use, hearts that you cut out. You can use stars. You can use anything, any shapes that you have. And you can see with the sprays, as well as you could do this with paints. It would be a little bit more time consuming, but at the end of the day, it's not a big deal. I've done it a million times. It's just fun playing with paint. But look, now we have a background to play on. So I will probably paint a girl or something on here, because I just think this is very pretty. This would be pretty just to hang by itself, honestly, or make a clock out of. You could drill a hole here and put your clock, you know, your hardware that you buy from the craft store or Amazon, and you have a beautiful clock, or whatever you want, you know, printer. So I really dig this. I really love doing things this way. But I just wanted to show you a little. I could sit here and do thousands of different ways to do um, backgrounds. So, you know, I mean, it's a lot of fun. So we've done the paint and we've done the spray. I just see a woodpecker out there. It's so cute. I don't know if I get a picture. But yeah, so I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. And he flew away. That you guys have a fantastic day. And remember that being kind to each other is not a bad thing. That we can all respect each other, even though we may have differing opinions. So be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. I love you guys so very much. I'm so very blessed to have you guys. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.